today's video is in collaboration with LUVMEHAIR. They sent me a very beautiful wig. Can I just say on the side, a girl is flourishing, a girl is growing. This is my first YouTube collaboration. Guys, I feel so proud of the growth for my channel. Like, I don't believe it. I never expected it. The past few months, I've grown to 1,500 subscribers. I am not yet monetized, but Mulima sister Lamanaukai. Last week, Limponi, Nekisharakani, Ilidi glue, Ilidi lace fronty, Dimamaret, Wizukurikitorikim go almost serious. Last week, Niki Goisha, guys. But this week, LUVMEHAIR was like, you know what, girl? We've got you. Arupum ledikele disesi. Arupum ledikele dungana ko khai ruza menyana ka wiki ya 4x4 lacy ya glueless. Because wow. Impono rumogo wa ka last week shemnelo ona it's mole ashem. So anyway, let us see what we got in this LUVMEHAIR. So we got the wig, and then do present. Let's see what we have. We have a bag here where so we've got a cute little comb. Then there's some clips. And then you've got a rubber band. I'm not sure. I think maybe I'm not sure. Because clearly as your melter, little flashback, little traumas, melt last week. And then it's got some clips. I've always wanted this clip, so this is nice. And it's got this thing, Yahoo tweezer miriri. Mobile, if you know where a hairline your plucker. You also get a wig cap. And then you also get like a user guide for you. I'll show you the picture of what I saw on the website so you can see as well, and then we will compare. You know what, like compare. Later the companies that you begin and the other resetsa dijo wait, dijo the dreams. Dreams. Korba bantse stwantse se sengwe o ipotsa re sham wiki e ke yona. Ha o tla ka mo le shema wa sesi. O tla re o rekile donut ngwana wa ka hae. Wa kira hore ba o rekisetse le gwenya. Ene le gwenya la teng a se le gwenya le monate le sesi. Ke le gwenya le loreng ba le botsolokela tshukiri ka moharo re ba le botsolokela letswai. So le gwenya la teng o ka re o ja washing. Wait, o ka re o ja washing e chile. So I always have a problem with wig companies for that, and they all do it. Ooh, the texture in the front of is freshy, so I love that. And then, as I said, it's those 4x4 closure. Oh my gosh, but Tongba bleach is a little knot. This feels like a bare minimum girly wig. Agsoya bar, but it's giving me bare minimum girly. It's got a band. And then it's got 1, 2, 3, 3 combs. So yeah. So this looks like a bare minimum girly wig. Let's put it on. I don't know how highly on, but Okay. All right. Emanyana. This is nice. So this is what bleach knots feel like. Okay. Oh my gosh, it makes a difference. I actually see why people bleach knots on wigs now. It makes such a big difference. And I wanna hold it. Okay, I can see it's also pre-plucked to give some of like a kind of like what you call this, like a natural hairline. So yeah, obviously, as I said, it's a 4x4, so I expect that. But let me cut it. Are cutting rumono hurhuira halang. So guys, kero sele sa di influence. Assis. Skero sa di influence. Are kate. Iriki bone he. Iriki veriki di clips. Tsaka sesi. Happy no arrived. Kale ke ba bona mo di video. But ya miriri bare. But clip bar. Bar. But M. Okay, we're gonna cut this lace. And get about how cut this one's cut the macrocondro. Uska cut straight again. This caracalwood. Oh my gosh! Hello, but so say la wena. Okay, Emma Erikin said you, Erikin said it lips. Keep on a bill, but in surprises, the guys. Oh my gosh. Fuck. Oh my gosh. Guys, this looks like my hair. This kind of sort of looks like my hair. Imagine hen kai plaka. Kai plaka ngwana go high. Wait to the how so short was rata? Hosapara will keep a tag just in case. Kupelo botso ka mkhobiki e intseng mo ka hairline ka teng. Ke tlontsha tag ngwana go high. E bontshang go raibo e. Oh my gosh, this wig is nice. Like you can barely see that. You can barely see that. Motho upila, motho o hot, mo shem. O girl is hot. I think the only thing that I kind of can see is this, right? Like I can still see it. So I'm not sure how to cover that up. But it's not a train smash. This girl is killing it. This wig is killing it, Shem. This wig, she's the girl. I'm just gonna style her up. I'm gonna run my fingers through it, and the more I run my fingers through it, the more volume it gets, and the more volume it gets, the more beautiful it becomes. So I'm actually thinking Zama got this more puffy look, so let's just like you know, really it's okay. And then we're also gonna try it almost like with a wet look kind of gel kind of look, with that wet look thing, and then we're gonna use a mousse for the wet look. So yeah, let's just run our fingers through it. And running our fingers through it is such a breeze. I am absolutely loving the texture of this hair. It's nice and soft, and you know, like I've heard before, some people say like LUVMEHAIR inalibu Dragon City nyana kamahare. But having bought Go Dragon City before, this curl texture, ma'am, is not giving dragon. It's not giving dragon at all. Oizi, onkarke those American professionals modi storing zabona zabo Tyler Perry. I get it. Serious. Okay, I'm on a Tyler Perry movie. I'm like the lead actress who was in an abusive relationship with her husband, but then she got her life back, and now she met this strong, beautiful black man with six-pack. But now I'm sorry, now my husband says I'm at six-pack. So Tyler Perry, I get to work. Now I am going to try use this curl defining mousse, and then I'm just gonna see if it's easy to achieve like a wet look from this wig, you know. So I'm gonna try this curl defining mousse. Oh, there's this other one that I bought, Go Dragon City as well. So, but I think I really want to use this Perfect Touch one today. So I'm gonna try just applying it on the hair and seeing if the curls will wet look curl or not. But I mean, I'm loving this wig, you know. Ooh. Ooh. This wig. In Shabba Ding Dong. That wet look vibe is collecting itself very well. But Luna, wigi Esham. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. Like, by the way, you know, I'm only on 1.5 subscribers, 1.5k subscribers. Give me 1.5, guys, but I'm not yet monetized. So if you would like to support me please, when you buy this wig, if you buy this wig or any other wig at LUVME, please use my code. I will leave my code up there, and then obviously look at 10% off, and then you can use that code when you are purchasing with them. You will also be supporting me, because at least you get like income from all this content creation. Marabona fail. Look at how this wig transformed. Look at how this wig transformed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jesus is Lord. Shem. So this is how it looks now when you're trying to get it to do that wet look thing. And I think it understood the assignment, Shem. I feel like it understood the assignment very, very well. And the pricing was not bad. The pricing was not bad at all. So I'm very, very surprised. When they said they're going to send me a wig, I intentionally went and I chose one of the wigs that are priced much lower, because I'm thinking, if I'm a shopper, if I was using my own cash, I would probably go about this ranges, right? It was Mama 1.5, and it was 1.5 commemorating my 1.5k subbies on YouTube. So I mean, guys, look at this wig. Look at this beauty. Like, yeah. So guys, I have nothing to say. I feel like I'm rambling now. I am absolutely impressed by this wig. Obviously, to assess the full quality, I'm gonna have to wear it a couple of times out, but first impressions in Khazite Korean Kaza, it moved to number 1 on the list of my wigs. I absolutely love it. It's low maintenance. So it's a yes from me. Kana test ele e banyana ba le ba yetsang e reng bar ba bontsha hore it's not glued, but yeah. Yeah, this one is the one, guys. She's the one. It's literally a wear and go wig. Like, if this is the definition of a wear and go wig, and I am absolutely impressed. LUVMEHAIR, this one, you worked. Usebenzile mfazi. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. I absolutely enjoyed this week. I enjoyed the video. I am enjoying creating content. I am just in my good space right now, and I appreciate all the love and empire. And I guys, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.